Making money online right now is super simple and anyone can do it. Why? Because most people are not willing to do it. And this presents us an opportunity to make tons and tons of money so long as you have the skills. So if you are interested in making money with affiliate marketing or digital marketing, then comment interested. Make sure that you follow so that you can get a chance to inbox me through the message pattern. So this is an opportunity for anyone in Kenya, South Africa, Canada, US or Australia, because digital marketing is a wide arena where you can just focus on one digital product or two depending on what you like and depending on your niche. So to make money online, you must follow the trend and also choose a niche or a topic to talk about, especially on TikTok. TikTok now is competing with Instagram and YouTube. And right now, you can also develop a team page on TikTok, just posting pictures and hashtags that belong to your niche. And you will get followers. This is what I'm currently doing. So long as you have learned the skill, and when it comes to skill, you will understand who are your audience. What products are you selling? You see, those are the key things you need to understand. And be patient with your business. This is not a job where you expect income every day. But if you are patient for the next 1 to 3 months, even in the first month, you may become lucky and make tons of money so long as you are willing to put in the work. So what I can tell you, be ready to learn a new skill. And online is here to stay, especially TikTok. TikTok right now is like Amazon some 15 years ago. So if you take this opportunity and run with it, you will make money. It will reach a point that you have already built a brand online that will enable you to get sales each and every day. So the secret is building a brand online and partnering with different affiliate platforms where you can sell digital products and make money. So if you are interested with learning the skill of affiliate marketing, just reach out to me and I'll be ready to help you get started. So share this video and it will benefit your friends too.